This video shows that seatbelts really do save lives.
Link emergency services.
This woman is driving on the Florida highway when she runs into some traffic. Once she decided to brake and come to a complete stop, she realized the car behind her had other plans. The car behind her then rear-ended her at full speed.
Mami, mami, me acaban de chocar. Mami,
Ay, ¿cómo así? Ay, ¿qué hubo?
me acaban de
Dios
chocar.
mío. Bendito sea Dios.
Ma, mami, mi hija.
Thankfully, she was wearing her seatbelt and was able to walk away from this accident. But what do you guys think? If there was no seatbelt, do you think this accident would have turned out differently?